Get ready to be amazed, because this might just be the most satisfying purchase is officially taking over the internet. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it works exactly as advertised. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly a complete game changer for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Click the verified product link located inside the video description before it sells out everywhere and claim yours. Product link.